Sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this headband unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by LUVMe hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so this hair is just so beautiful and so soft. But what I want to start off with is the packaging. So let's go ahead and talk about that. So as you guys know, this video is being brought to you guys by LUVMe hair. So first of all, I really love their packaging. As you guys seen in the previous clips, it did have like this beautiful bow on here and it was just so freaking pretty. And I just really love the packaging. I also just always love when they pay attention to detail. So I also love the fact that I have a bag to store my unit in, and in here is just the net for the hair. But I love that, and I also love how they put the brand on there, so I will always know like which brand it's coming from. I also appreciate the fact that they did go ahead and send out headbands, as this is a headband unit. I feel like it should automatically come with it because it's a headband unit. Like, and what if you don't have any headbands? I mean, you can always get some from Amazon, and I'll link some in the description box below. But you know, I just feel like it's always a nice touch when it comes with the wig. So today they did send me two. So it's this one that I am rocking right now. It's kind of like a white color, and then it has like beautiful flower patterns with neutral colors, which I really do love. They also sent me this pink one, and this one also has like flowers in different colors on here. But however, I am already in the fall mood. As you guys have seen that I've changed my background, so I'm already kind of in that fall state. That's why I didn't choose to wear the pink one. You guys know I love pink, but I feel like this one goes more with my neutral brown aesthetic that I have going on right now. I also love the fact that they give you like a really good amount of goodies as well, and it has a bag that is stored in, like you get bobby pins, combs. I showed you everything in here, but you get all kind of stuff, and this is perfect for travel. Like, this will be perfect for me to just throw this in my suitcase and go if the world ever opens back up. And then they also gave me a satin scarf, which is perfect for tying down your edges. So I didn't use it today, but I definitely will be using this. This is absolutely perfect. So I just feel like the attention to detail that they paid, like, it was just amazing. And now let's just go ahead and get right into how I feel about this hair. Okay, divas, so let's go ahead and talk about this hair. This hair is very beautiful and soft and silky. I really do love it. So the original texture of this hair is straight, as you guys seen in the beginning. I let it air dry. I didn't blow dry it or anything. So in the beginning it was just air dry, and then I went in and flat ironed it. Once I flat ironed it, it was beautifully straightened. It looked absolutely gorgeous, but I wanted to see if I could put some effortless waves in here, and I'm definitely able to do that. Now, the reason why I chose to go with effortless waves is because of the simple fact that this is supposed to be like something that is very effortless-esque. Okay, this is a headband wig, so we don't want to be doing too much styling, okay? At least not right now, because it's still hot, even though, you know, we're moving towards the fall. Like we're like 2 days away from fall, but you know, still want to go ahead and keep it nice and simple. And you want to keep it nice and simple anyways, because of the simple fact that it's a headband wig. That's the whole purpose of it. So overall, I really do love the way the hair feels. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I experienced very minimal shedding and hardly any tangling when I did go ahead and wash this unit. So this hair is just really nice. I love how luxurious it looks. Like, the luster on it is very nice and very healthy. I did add a little bit of my Beyond the Zone spray, which kind of added a little bit of luster, but this hair honestly had its own luster as well. And overall, I'm just very impressed with it. I love the fact that you can go ahead and add some effortless waves if you want to. Now, would this hair hold like a super strong curl? I don't know, but I don't really mind that because of the simple fact that this is straight hair. So I wouldn't so much mind that. But overall, I really do like this unit. I feel like it is really pretty, and I love how the packaging comes. The hair is nice quality. The headband wig is a nice quality as well. So I just think overall this is definitely a winner. And if you guys are looking for a straight headband unit, then definitely go ahead and check out LUVMe, and I will definitely have a link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested. Oh yeah, before we go, we gotta talk about price point. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about price point, and I am looking at it off of my phone. So today I have their 18-inch straight headband wig, and this one is $150, or I'm sorry, $159.90 for this length that I am rocking today. Prices do start as low as $129, and that is their shortest length in this wig in particular, and that is in 16 inches. And then it can range anywhere up to $219, which that is for their 24-inch. So that's the price range that you guys are looking at, and honestly I feel like it is worth it. If you want something that is very high quality, that's going to last you quite a while, I would definitely recommend it, because this hair is definitely nice quality, and yeah, like, it's giving me what I need. I love the way it looks straight. I love it with some soft effortless waves. So this unit is definitely really nice, and I love the fact that it comes with all those goodies, and it also comes with 2 headbands as well. So I think that that's really nice. So yeah, like I said before, if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.